Open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Internet options. Open the Connections tab. Go to Local Area Network Settings. Click on LAN Settings. Uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. Press OK. Press OK. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Press Apply this fix. Wait for the program to repair Windows Update. Close the troubleshooter and restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wuauserv and then press Enter. Type netstop cryptSvc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type Ren C /Windows /SoftwareDistribution.old and then press Enter. Type Ren C /Windows /System32 /catroot2catroot2.old and then press Enter. Type net start wuauserv and then press enter. Type net start bits and then press enter. Type net start cryptSvc and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter.